Welcome to the 88th founding anniversary and grand alumni homecoming. Let's all enjoy the special night together.
Hello everyone! Happy 25th anniversary! Pasensya na hindi kami makakasama sa inyo ngayong gabi, pero gusto naming iparating yung taus-pusong pasasalamat namin sa inyo. Thank you so much for the beautiful friendships that we still share hanggang ngayon. Salamat din sa magagandang alaala simula nung year kopong-kopong pa. At higit sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga teachers natin for the foundation of faith na talagang tumulong sa atin in our journey long after we've left the classrooms. We graduated, we all took different directions. Some of us took the scenic route. Some of us had unexpected detours. And still, some of us are trying to figure out the map hanggang ngayon. But through it all, through the twists and turns, it's my prayer that we won't fail to see the divine hand that has led each of us to where we need to be right now. I hope we won't fail to see the goodness and faithfulness of God through it all. And I just want to wish you all again a happy 25th anniversary at maligayang Pasko po sa ating lahat.
Happy Homecoming Batch 1996 and 2000. Looking back, the most memorable experience would be sharing simple joys of mundane tasks with classmates, be it walking to the canteen together for lunch or recess, helping each other with math problems, daldalan ng mga cleaners, or just cheering for your crush during intramurals, kahit na taga-ibang family sila. These for sure built beautiful friendships. Add also the Christian values that our teachers imparted. These helped, or this shaped who we are today. And for sure, this made me a proud HSAN. And this season, I wish you all the joy, love, and peace. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Hello, batchmates! Kamusta on behalf of our batchmates based here in the UK? Happy homecoming to everyone! First and foremost, I want to say very well done to the organizers and volunteers for making this event happen. I'm sure it's going to be an amazing celebration. I'm really sorry I can't be there to join the fun. I'll definitely miss seeing all of you and the opportunity to reminisce the great memories we have all had at school, whether that's in dance club, cheerleading, intramurals, academy days, and field trips. I hope we can catch up soon, either when you visit London or the UK, or when we go back home to visit Malolos. Have an amazing time, enjoy the reunion, and as we used to say, long live the HSA.
One of my most unforgettable experience is yung magla-lunch sa grotto. Tapos unahan kung sino maka-save dun sa ilalim ng puno ng batibot. Yun, dun kami kwentuhan, tawanan. Tapos one time, tinatamad kaming maglakad pabalik sa kantin para ibalik yung pinagkainan namin. May dumating na trike. So, 10 kami or more. So, nag-unahan kami sumakay dun sa trike. Imagine mo kung paano magkakasya lahat. So, unahan, 4 sa loob, tas nagulat na lang kami, may 3 nakasabit sa likod. Hanggang sa pagdating na namin sa canteen. Tapos imagine mo, naka-white uniform pa kami nun. Kahit napagalitan, masaya naman. Aside from that, Academy Day. Masaya Academy Day. Horror booth, jail booth, cheering competition, cheering practices. Memorable kasi everyone is united and it's always like just fun to see everyone being together. And you know, whether you're a dancer or whether you're just singing a cheerer, masaya to be part of it.
Maraming salamat sa aking mga kaklase nung first year, ng mga faculty, ng sisters, ng staff sa Holy, because po sa inyo, naging ganito po ako. Na-mold ako as I am, as who I am now, and pati po yung pati kayo lahat ng mga klase ko, dahil sa inyo is dahil sa lahat ng experience natin, masasabi ko nandito ako because of those. Thank you. And I hope to see you again all soon.
Congratulations to everyone who put together such momentous and successful 25th anniversary homecoming. As your former school council president, I'm sorry I can't be there, but I would like to share a few of my top memories back in high school. First one is traveling from Apali to Malolos or Santa Isabel. My service mates made it worth the trip each day, almost an hour each way. We had so much time spent with each other, and I think we're probably the most unique and also fun service because we traveled such a long way each day. But we created so many memories. So shout out to May Simone, Leia Tongo, Clarinda, Rachel, Shylin, anyone else I miss. Those are the things that you can't bring back. And secondly, after each exam, we go to Jollibee and hang out in someone's home for hours. And I do miss that because, yeah, that's just a point in time. We spent a lot of time laughing and making fun things and silly things. We took lots of photos as well. For some reason, we had the, the point and shoot camera back then. So I'm sure you remember those times. And I miss you all. There's so many good times back in high school. And I must say, long live HSA.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone!